We've just acquired at DJ's Prestige this lovely Mercedes C-Class AMG Sport convertible. Lovely condition, metallic blue. It's got the full AMG body styling kit, got front park distance control. The alloys, it's just literally arrived, so the alloys are going to be refurbished, so they'll be like new. It's got the rear park distance control, it does have a camera as well. It's got the lovely AMG diffuser with the twin exhaust at the back, and as you can see, it's in lovely condition. Fully electric retractable roof. The alloys are actually an upgrade to this car. We've got electric seats, electric memory seats, heated seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather interior. It's in lovely condition. Car's got factory fitting satellite navigation. Reverse camera, paddle shift on the gearbox, got Bluetooth, climate control, media pack, different driving styles. I'll put the roof up for you so you can see what it looks like with the roof up. Cruise control, just down there. Absolutely lovely inside. Great value for money. Now's the time to buy a convertible before they start shooting up in price. At DJ's Prestige and Sports, we do offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.